Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2021 Honda Accord maintenance light reset. Now, in this video, we're going to have two type of reset. Go ahead and first of all, go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Okay. For those of you who has a car that is equipped with the GPS system, we can reset it here on the system. Or if you are not, your vehicle is not equipped with the GPS system, you can manually reset it on this system, the odometer, and we're going to be using these buttons. But I'm going to show you how to do this first if you are equipped with the GPS system. Go ahead and press home and go ahead and go to setting, select vehicle, scroll down to maintenance info, and go ahead and reset the all due item. Okay, now for those of you that are not equipped with the GPS system, I'm gonna show you how to reset it on here. Now go ahead, we're gonna use the home button, the scroller, and the scroller also act as a button for enter. So go ahead and press home, and you can obviously it jumps up to maintenance. Go ahead and enter on that with the scroller. Okay, now scroll, actually go ahead and press enter again and scroll down to all due item, enter on that, and there you go, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.